Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about variables in Python. Before going any further, please make sure to access this Python playlist. So guys, now let's begin. First, let's see what is a variable. Variable are containers to store something. So for example, x equal to 5. So if you print x, then this going to show x equal to 5 and this hello world. Like this, you store something in variable. Now if you want to store something like a equal to coding with Satyam, then guys this, and if you print a, then this will give you coding with Satyam. Like this, you can use a variable. First guys, I'm going to comment all of these. So if you don't know what is comment, then guys, comment is something that we use to ignore something. So for example, I have comment all of these, and now if I run this, then guys, this will give nothing. Yeah, I'm going to clear this console terminal, and guys, now if I run this, then this will give nothing. Like this, we can use comment, and comment I use hashtag. Now let's talk about more in variables. A variable can have a short name like x equal to 5 and a large name like car name. Car name is equal to Tesla. And guys, if you want to see what's inside a variable, then guys, you can use print x and car name, and now if you run this, then guys, you can see 5 Tesla. X is 5 and car name is Tesla. That's why he's showing 5 Tesla. Now guys, let's talk about some rules of variable. I'm going to comment all of these, and here I'm going to talk about variables rules. So guys, first rule is that a variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. So for example, x equal to 5 and this equal to 554. And guys, now if you print x, and if you print this underscore, then this will give you 5 and 54. So remember, a variable name must start with x and underscore letter. If you put a number, then guys, this will give an error. For example, now if you type here 5 equal to 10, then here if you print 5, then guys, this will give an error. You can see 5 equal to 10, scientific error. So a variable name cannot start with a number. You have to put a number or underscore. Now guys, variable name are case sensitive. So for example, is equal to 10, and if you print here is, then this will going to be first. Let me clear this console. Clear. Now if you done is, then is equal to 10, then here you can see 10, and if you put capital A, then is equal to 12, and guys, here if you print is, then guys this will give you another number. So guys, remember a variable name is case sensitive, so you have to print is equal to 10, and if you print capital A is equal to capital A, then this will give you an error. So guys, remember that. Now we have learned so much about variables. So guys, now that's it. So guys, thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more Python related videos, then guys please make sure to subscribe this channel, and yes please access this playlist. So guys, thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.